the salon today again. I know I just filmed the other day when I was at the salon cutting my hair, but that was because we needed a trim before dyeing my hair. So my hairstylist that cuts my hair normally every year is a hairstylist at Brush Salon, a salon that I have gone to for years. I think it's been a decade and a half now. But anyways, so she wants me to be one of her models, and we're dyeing it chocolate with some hints of sun kiss some hints of summer, I guess. Is that what she described it as? So I'm excited to see, because I haven't dyed my hair, like I said, in 5 years or more. Since I was a blonde, I dyed my hair black during the pandemic because I had enough of just going back to the salon, and I think it was just impulse. But my hair's been very healthy, and it's time for a nice little change. I've gotten a little bit of gray hairs here and there. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I will film the whole process for you to see.